Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus here at 77 Newell Street, located in West Warwick, Rhode Island. This is a first floor, one bedroom, one bathroom apartment with electric baseboard heat, fresh paint, new floors, and much more. We're going to begin our walkthrough here right in the centralized living area. This living space does lead to the bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and houses your main entryway into the unit. As you can see, a beautiful fresh coat of paint throughout this entire unit. Again, this living area houses a new vinyl wood flooring that continues into the bedroom. Some wide open windows with street views, a good amount of outlets in here as well. Perfect size for a small sofa and a smaller entertainment system. Just a nice cozy living area to have here in this unit. From the living space, we'll now check out the kitchen. Flipping around here, you have a nice freshly cleaned tile flooring. This is the same tile flooring you'll find in your bathroom. You also have a private rear entryway leading straight into this kitchen in this apartment. Plenty of cabinetry up above and below, along with your large size refrigerator, glass top stainless steel stove and oven, and single bin sink. Couple of extra outlets for kitchen plugins, and this kitchen area should have a good amount of space for a small size dining table. That is essentially the kitchen. Next, let's check out the bedroom. Pretty good sized bedroom. Again, new vinyl wood flooring in here. Nice fresh paint, your own closet space, and a perfect fit for a standard full Excel bed set. Could potentially even swing a queen in here if that's what you're looking for, but I think a standard full Excel is perfect for this bedroom. Beautiful flooring, beautiful paint, once again. Plenty of outlets in this bedroom too. Right over there is your closet space near the door. And that's that. Lastly, let's check out the bathroom. So, bathroom houses the same flooring you saw in the kitchen. You of course have your sink vanity and your mirror vanity off to the left side here, and the full tub and shower all the way at the end of the bathroom ready to go. Excellent. So once again, this is 77 Newell Street here in West Warwick, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody as always to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all of the listings that we have available on our website, and of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you.